Hello everyone and welcome back to DG Guru's video series once again. And in this series of ours today we'll be learning how to make a chatbot on the Facebook interface. Now before starting, what is a chatbot? A chatbot is a feature where robots or an AI would be interacting on your behalf. Like if someone is trying to send you some messages, your predefined text would be interacting with their message and understanding what are they trying to say, and a respective set of answers will be coming in front of them, so that they won't feel that the bot is interacting with them or it's a real human. Fine. So in order to learn this, let's just dive down to our practical interface page where we're learning how to make a chatbot with the help on the Facebook's interface with the help of a platform known as Chat Fuel. Okay, so just let's check out how it has been done. So guys, just type the word chat fuel in the Google and the first result that you'll see, just click on it. And so I have created earlier few of the bots. So the first thing that you need to do is the thing that they're asking is to connect with the Facebook page. Fine. So connect with the Facebook page whichever is present in yours and post that. So I'll be starting from a sample from a blank template. The moment you log into the chatbot option, you see few options like welcome message and a default answer. Fine. So you may delete these default answers because we will be creating everything. Delete this welcome message. Delete, and everything is clean now, right? So welcome message means whenever anyone will be coming, this is the message that would be welcoming them. Fine. And default answer means if the query that the user have asked and if it is not being prepared by you, then this is the default answer that they would be giving, right? So let's just start from a default thing. So one by one I would be explaining you everything. So first thing, I'll start from a text. So a text button initially shows the text, like it's just like a website making on the WordPress, like, and these all are simple pages that we are making. So first I'll try to show you a very simple message which a bot would be showing once a user interacts with the chat platform, right? So I'll say hi. Now in order to do the personalization, I'll simply press 2 times the bracket key and it will give me these options. So if I'll write the first name, it is the first name, like whosoever is interacting with them, it will be picking their username and saying hi, whatsoever is the name, is it? How are you? Fine. Thank you for. Okay. Just a second. Thank you for sending me message. Have a great day ahead. Fine. So let's just test this bot. Once you have created a bot, any sample, you can just simply see on the right hand side it's written test this chat bot. So click on this and you will see a pop-up appearing in front of you. So you can just choose a sample file, the Facebook page. Just need to open the Facebook page at the side, right? So as you can see out here, fine. So like I'll again hit the button, test this chat. So see, the chat appeared. Hi Purvi, how are you? Thank you for sending me a message. Have a great day ahead. Fine. So this is the message that even I have drafted out here. I'll try to add a button. Watch video, and I'll write out here. Click on the link below, and on this link I'll just hyperlink one of my YouTube channel, YouTube channel, and this is my YouTube channel. So I'll simply copy the URL and I'll paste it out here. Paste it out here. Fine. So let's just test this message. See the message appear. Hi Purvi, how are you? Everything, and click on the link to below to watch the video. So if I click this watch video link, the YouTube channel will open. Right? Fine. Let's again check this thing. Fine. Now this is one of the text message, and many times you must have been seeing that whenever anyone is chatting or writing on the message, some three dots are just waving kind of stuffs are also coming in between. So this is a typing effect which I can put. Fine, and this will show this typing effect, and after that I can again write this is the typing duration example. Let's test this. Fine. See, as you can see, I'll just again try to show it to you once more. Test this bot. See this thing, and can you see this waving option coming? Fine, and then the message appeared in front of me. Right guys, so which means that whatever I'm doing out here, it's live and runtime, it is being prepared. Fine, you can keep on adding more message and more stuffs. Fine, so in this video, so it will be a very simple chatbot option that you have prepared. Fine, so in my further videos you can even look how can I use other tabs which are present out here. Fine, hope to see you on the other videos of mine where I would be explaining you more about how to try to make more realistic AI with the help of chatbot for a Facebook. Fine, thank you for